My name is Dheeraj. I am studying 8th class in Mathman school. Today we are reading editorial page and the topic is debt trap. We'll start it. Thousands of the workers in Tamil Nadu formed a fireworks industry remains trapped in unsafe conditions despite an unending series of accidents that keeps drawing attention to their flight in the later accident of an fireworks unit in the Virudhangar at last co 20 alive has perished while 28 workers are in hospitals. Such tragedies cross to the predominantly by the gross violations of norms governing to the hazardous industries and the human error in handling explosive substances have occurring with some regularity now. In 11 months, 25 alive to the last major blazes in three other firework factories in the Virudhangar, Kuleda, and the Madurai. Most unused units that have mushroomed to then outside Sivasaki mostly escape to the community till explosions occur. And the greater concern in the legal hubs leading to the contacts for manufacturing crackers by the resented units primarily to investigation into the current tragedy has also revealed and the subleasing to the workers to several persons and one nature of work and hazardous industries makes subleasing by word for safety compromise. It leads to the conversion of every shed in a manufacturing unit into a factory in itself with the inflammable chemicals stored all over. Consequently, the limit of the workers to be deployed in the violated, resulting in crowding in the each shed and supervision of the quantum of chemicals to be mixed or stored. A key take to the avoiding of the friction because costly and untrained workers and the PC rate system where the induced people to raise the produce more units per day have also caused the accidents. Eyewitness account suggests that in the latest accident, a worker possible fatigued a fatigued had hurriedly emptied semi-finalist crackers triggering to the explosion while the petroleum and explosives safety organization offers training for the workers. Storage of the labor has prompted the industry to hire new recruits with the limited skills. The industry continues to be labor intensive. Although a decade ago the parliament was informed by the automation of the hazardous manufacturing process would be undertaken. This is today's editorial page. Thank you.